Structures, works, projects, damages, collapse reasons. They are overload, impact, heavy accident, incident, or heavy earthquake, or heavy flood, carbonation, rusting of reinforcement, fire damage, over wet concrete, poor workmanship, wrong design, wrong planning, wrong execution or substandard work, or any fraudulent activities of agencies, subcontractor, contractor and staff, politicians, etc. See the picture here. A vehicle, lorry, hit this bridge. A part of footpath and guide wall collapsed. In such case, recovery is to be made by the concerned department and engineering department from the concerned owner in the form of fine. In other cases of defective structures, recovery is to be made from the agencies and concerned staff, etc. If damaged by the nature, government will bear.